Welcome back again, everyone. This time we will try how to photocopy our identity cards properly and well. Then click the ID card option on the monitor screen. Click yes to continue. And we first select the A4's paper size in the paper size menu option. And do not forget to adjust the dark or opaque copy and results. Then take the sample ID card you want to copy. For more details on how to copy ID card correctly, we repeat the steps. The first step, click the favorite settings option on the monitor screen and select the monitor screen KTP option, then click yes. How to put his ID card should not be careless, but follow the steps as in the video. Put it on the edge of this glass, right? Then close the top of the copier. We will try to copy only 2 sheets. For example, how to copy the correct ID card. After the setting is finished, everything press the green button next to the monitor screen. Then open the copier cover again to reverse the ID card. Why should I reverse my ID card? Because we want to copy both sides of the ID card. After finishing reversing the ID card, we close it again and click the green button next to the monitor screen. After completing the scan, both sides of the ID card, we press start to start copy. And click start once again to copy the remaining sheet. That's how to properly and nicely ID card it. I hope this content is useful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys.